in previous video we have seen the row level calculation. Now we'll move forward and have a look about the aggregated calculation. So yeah, everything we will look in the Tableau itself. So let me show you. So let's take a simple example. Let's create a calculation, sum of sales. Okay, sum of sales, and I'll put the sum and sales. So by using sum function, average function, max function, we are creating an aggregated calculation. Okay, you can see here the aggregate, and we have this much of function here. And when you are using this function, sum, max, aggregation, even the LOD function that we will discuss in the upcoming videos. So we have creating an aggregated function, and let me show you what is this aggregated calculation. Okay, now we have created. Okay, let me put sum of sales in the view. Let me take the discrete so you can understand better entire view, and let me increase the size. Will change from here custom. I want 0 decimal places. Okay, so let me show you. Currently we have this much of cells. Okay, and as soon as I put some category in my view, the value is changing. Okay, the value is aggregating on this level. If I am changing this to other, the value, let standard. So you can see the value is changing as per the visualization level. Okay, if you want to put anything else, segment. So okay, so we have a different numbers. Okay, so one thing I want to clear that currently we are on the segment level. So these, in this way the aggregated calculation work. Whatever you have in the view here or here in the details, you have these you have values on this aggregated level, you have values on these level. Okay, if you are removing this segment from the details, you have no details, you have overall sum of sales value. So one more thing I want to tell you, that if you are putting your category, your label in the detail, in the color, in the text, in the size, it will segregate the data on that detail. But if you are putting your dimension in the tooltip, this will not affect your view. Okay, so this is a key point that you should keep in the mind while creating a calculation. Okay, and let me show the data as well. What inside the data, you can see, you can't see these calculation inside your data. You can see the row level calculation, but you can't see the aggregated level calculation because it changes as per your view details. So there are few more interesting points I would love to tell you. So first, then the aggregated calculation only apply on the measures value like sales, profit, okay, discount. These green are measures, as I have told you in my previous video. These are measures. When you want to aggregate something, so you will use these measures. Okay, and if you are putting these measures in the view, okay, so Tableau automatically applying aggregation sum of sales. Okay, if you are putting something else, quantity, Tableau is performing sum of quantity automatically, and there is no detail we have added. If we add some detail, segment, it will change. You can see the detail has been changed. Okay, we have now 3 different segment. If you're putting here, you have 3. So Tableau, when we have a dimension in the detail, so we have the segregated data. If you want to change the aggregation, you can change from here. The Tableau by default features to change the aggregation, like I want average, so you can see the average. Okay, if you want count, you can have a count. Okay, if you are putting more than one one dimension in the view, so you have more details. Okay, now you have segment by categories, so you have more detailed data. If you are keep increasing the dimension, the data will have in more details, in more granular level. Okay, so Tableau, so on the aggregate level, the data changes as per the detail, and Tableau takes the detail as per your marks, whatever in your marks and whatever your column on rows. Okay.